today's topic is all about rocket, liquid fueled rocket. Now let us talk about the what is rocket. Now let's go to the what is rocket. Yeah. Now talk about the what is rocket. Rocket is a projectile that spacecraft, aircraft, or the other vehicle used to obtain thrust from the rocket engine. And in fact, you know that when rocket produced 1,300 pounds of a literal liquid fuel in a time of a launch. You can't believe 1,300 pounds are very much, and the cost of a rocket is very expensive. That's why any countries can't afford the rocket. And with this happening, people made the reusable rocket called the Falcon 9. Now let's talk about the parts of rocket, the propulsion system. In the propulsion system, there are main 6 parts: the fuel, frame, oxidizer, pump, nozzle, fins. These are the main 6 parts that helps the rocket fly and cross the atmosphere. Now let's talk about the fuel. Fuel is nothing but the aluminum particle or the hydrogen. There are 2 types of fuels: aluminum particles and the hydrogen. Now talk about the frame. Frame helps to protect the satellites, the inner body, and the oxidizer is nothing but the liquid oxygens. And there are 2 tanks, the fuel and the oxidizer. Now the main thing is the pump. Pumps help us to take out the oxygen and the fuel to the combustion chamber. It provides the fuel and the oxidizer to the combustion chamber. It helps them to make the thrust to the nozzle. Now talk about the nozzle. Nozzle helps to make the compress the fuel and make the thrust and drag the rocket to the atmosphere of the earth. Now the fins are the main things that helps the rocket to balancing the speed, the balancing the velocity, and balancing the mass of the rocket in the space. Now let's talk about the fuel system. Now the fuel system is the main thing in the liquid propellant rocket. Now we are talking about the liquid propellant rocket. That was we are talking about this rocket. Now let's speed up. Now liquid fuel. Liquid fuel, I tell you before. Liquid oxide, I also tell you before. Pumps, I tell you. And combustion chamber, I tell you. Now let's talk about the combustion chamber. Let's deep inside the combustion chamber. Now combustion chamber is nothing but an orange box. In this combustion chamber, when the fuel comes inside this, and there is a spark getted by the electricity and conducted by the thrust, and when the thrust makes this rocket drags by the atmosphere. Now let's talk about how the rocket works. It's the main thing how the rocket works. Rocket work by the scientific rule called Newton's third law. The exhaust pushes the rocket to pushes the exhaust backward. The exhaust makes the rocket move forward. You can see in the image there is a fuel tank, oxidizer tank. A fuel tank is an aluminum particle and oxidizer tank is the oxygen particles. Now talk about the pump and combustion chamber. I tell you before, nozzle is a AE, m dot. Now the formula of a thrust, I tell you the V is called the velocity, m called the mass flow rate, P called the pressure. Thrust, F is equals to m dot VE plus the PE minus PO, and minus PO is equals to A. The meaning of this, the fuel is equals to oxidizer when the pump velocity is converted to the combustion chamber is equals to the nozzle and the thrust made by this. Let's talk about that is over. Now thank you.